guys mind? I'm doing a video blog. Would you guys mind just maybe 2 quick minutes?
About credit cards.
No. Just credit. When you hear the word credit, what do you think?
Oh, you owe somebody?
Not really, but whenever you're in a store and they ask you, hey, do you want to apply for credit and you get 10% discount? Do you like credit? I mean, how do you see credit, personal credit?
They do that all the time, you know, that's their culture. Okay, we give you a credit.
Did you fall for that, or you just say, you know what, I don't want to apply for
I
credit?
used to fall, but not anymore.
Oh, what don't you know about credit that maybe I can help you with?
Only spend what you have.
Only spend what you have, right? Great.
You don't have.
You don't spend it. And
You
sometimes the
don't
credit
spend it.
card,
That's
it's there to
correct.
spend, but if you know, if you could pay it back, use
Make
it.
it a lifestyle.
Nice.
Only spend what you have, live simply, and you'll go there.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope you find the gas station. Okay.
Yes.
You guys have a good one. Thank you. Right. You heard her.
Vlog is not on TV.
No. It's going to be on YouTube. But she said only spend what you can afford, guys. So the people we met today, man, they were very smart people. They know how credit works, and you guys got to see the beautiful side of once you understand credit. And hopefully we can find the people that, you know, feel the opposite about credit. So guys, I hope this information was helpful. Talk to you guys soon.